Most small and mid-level companies, they've got a accounting system, they've got a CRM for sales and marketing, and then they've got some type of operating process that is all over the board. Usually that's the area that you need the most help with when it comes to customizing and integration. You want your sales process to feed into the process of doing your work, doing your job, and you want that to push into the accounting system so you can track it and have accountability, make sure that you're getting paid for your invoices, making sure your invoices are correct. And that's often the area that you need the most help. We found when we talk to dozens and dozens of companies every month and help them with the different processes of automation, it's all about getting those processes automated that move between those different systems.